Because it'll start to buckle on them.
No, I'm leaning that way and I'm cutting it this way. I mean, it's going to fall that way. It should anyway.
What happens sometimes is the trunk pinches the...
Well, that's what I'm saying. I picked this spot because the tree, I think the center of gravity is that way. So I think the tree will move.
See, I wouldn't have even thought about that.
Of course, I'm on video, so it will be completely wrong.
No, I was just say, okay, how do I get this saw just moving so I can get this thing down?
Halfway there.
A little more.
Oh, we're almost.
Watch it fall this way and hit him in the head.
What way did I say it would fall?
Oh, you're good.
Do you want to go ahead and cut off the dead branches here?
I would. For the ones that you know you don't want anyway.
Oh, wait a minute. Alright, we gotta figure out...
You'll trim a bunch of those right off at the bottom.
Listen, let's just take off the bottom, leave all this so we know how much we need to leave. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get this off. Can you just give me a little...
Yeah, no, we'll take that off. We'll get...
It's almost done. You couldn't... Hello?
I mean, it's way...
Oh, I want that bit of green on that one. We get those two things with the green on it, Barb? I want them for a wreath.
Try not to take all the grass with it.
And over there, too.
Oh, Titus is just gonna love this. I'm doing laundry, so we can film it.
Oh, ah.
Careful of the sap.
Well, yeah.
Now you say that.
Now you do it.
The first tree.
I like it.
Better when we get home. Okay, do you want me to go get a spool of twine? Huh?
Let me pull this back up though. Should have just bought a pickup truck.
Alright. Just to prove you're here?
Mm.
Okay, how do you want me to hold that? Which
Yeah.
side?
What are you doing? Oh. Yeah, you're right.
Alright, so I'll hold this if you guys want it.
Ah!
Oh goodness.
It's really tall now.
I'm glad we don't have to drive an hour with that on
I
our
know.
roof.
Actually, the more I think about that, it would be tough to go too far.
Hey, get off my trunk.
I'm just trying to keep it here while you're... Did you get the rope out of the trunk? It's not gonna pass very well with me on it.
Alright, sort of all tangled up, so we got.
Are we gonna put the other tarp over top of it first?
No. You tie it down, then put the tarp on, then tie the tarp down. Where's the... Do I think... Oh, it's in the trunk. Another good thing
Scissors, if that's...
about not being an hour and away is we're riding home with the windows down. A little bit.
Oh,
How are we gonna get in the car if you rope it through the windows?
You're getting in now.
Well, we need to go pay and all that. We
Yeah.
need to
Yeah,
go get all
well,
that
go-
done.
Really, you got to get in before I start.
Yeah.
Get the saw.
I'll get the tree tied, and then I just want to tie it under. No.
Where's the saw? Oh,
Wait,
we need to cut that other little.
get me that little piece of cedar. AB can do that.
You can probably
Do you
cut
want the whole piece?
I
Or
think
I
so.
will. I was just going to tie the tree down. The cedar, is that for your reeds too?
Uh-huh.
So,
What?
do you want the whole tree?
Yeah, I mean, once you cut it out. How big is it? After I told you
Is
yes.
it done or no?
You've at least seen Christmas carols. I need a little action here.
You don't want me to sing. Whole thing?
Huh? Yeah, just shove it in the trunk.
Hey, Tony.
Yeah.
Pick up the trunk you get, please.
You gotta put all these in there.
Do you want to move your boots first?
Are we going right home?
Yeah.
They're fine. Thanks for asking.
Did you want to go somewhere else?
No.
No, we have too much to do at home yet. Christmas tree, outdoor lights,
Cookies,
cookies,
sticky buns,
buns.
drinking.
What? No.
Yeah,
A little.
The temperature drinking.
If I'm not pregnant, I'm drinking.
There you go.
Alright, so,
Go pay.
aye, aye, Captain.
Let's go. Stick
Are you
this.
still filming?
And you don't want any twine. I really want you to have twine.
Yeah, bring me the twine. We could use that to tie down the tarp. You're still filming.
Mhm.
Just so you can watch how hilariously inept I am at tying Christmas trees to cars. You know what? It will be very amateurish,
I'm going to climb in the window, just so you know.
but it will be like a rock. I
As lo-
tied up the couch. Couch made it home.
As long as it's secure, I don't care how you do it.
Well. Like I said, I told Aaron we should just buy a pickup.
We could assist you, but then it wouldn't be as much fun.
Everybody's coming
Good thing we're not big people.
in. Yeah.
Does that include you?